All right, guys, so this is more of a tips and tricks more than like, a longer how-to video. So not a lot of people know that you can actually put the top down on your car with your key. Now this can be, it's only gonna be on like newer Mercedes models, so it's not gonna be anything past, like a 2005 or anything like that. But all you have to do, so press unlock once and then hold it. Then you can see the top, and I'm just holding the key still. Keep holding the unlock button. And then you can let go. And as you can see, it put the top down for you, no problem. You can look right in. Another thing, to put the top up, press the lock button once and then twice. Just keep holding it. Again, just like how you put the top down. You can see the top's going right up. And that's it. That's how you put your top up and down just from your key.